Hey, what's up everybody? JB's Mods here. Welcome to my channel. Bringing to you guys an exclusive video of some 2014 to 2018 Silverado GMC mirrors fitting on a 2003. I'm gonna give you guys the steps. So before I start, you guys, I just want to make sure you subscribe, you hit that like button, you share with everybody out there. For tools, you guys are gonna need a drill bits, 3/16, female star socket, 3/16, a 10mm socket, a ratchet extension, some locking pliers, some wire cutting pliers, and a grinder. Pull this plastic off. Comes out pretty easy. After you pull that plastic off, make sure you get this wire, pull it out, take it off. I cut it already. After that's cut, you got your 10mm bolts there. Grab your ratchet with extension and the 10mm socket. So we take off the stock mirror, take it off. So these are the mirrors. They were originally white. My buddy of mine painted them black just to match my truck. Shout out to my compa. He helped me on this project because he's more of a body shop guy and I didn't want to mess up my door doing holes. Okay, this piece where I took the stock one out is on these 3 holes. They're a smaller size. Use your drill and your drill bit and make it kind of wider but downwards on this one. On this one also just a little bit. This one gotta go upwards. So before you grind this and flush all this plastic, before you flush it, you gotta take these things out. You gotta take them off with the locking pliers. Then use your grinder and flush all this up. Then kind of cut it to fill up the space on your door. And what you guys want to do is take this thing off because it's going to be on your way. This one was all the way over here. This one was all the way here. And this one was all the way over here. Like around here. When you have the size of it, you use your drill and your drill bit. So you pretty much just drill it. Don't go too far. Don't go too far because, you know, you overpass this. You guys made the 3 holes. You grab these things and grab your ratchet, grab your 3/16 star female socket and tying these up. So remember when I told you guys to flush all this? The reason why I'm saying it again is because you have to fill up this space. Once you have that, it's easy to go in. Just like this. You can make your holes however you want. You can make them sideways. If it's up to you if you want your mirrors to go like this or like that. I like mine flush here, so like this. I like mine flush like that, just on the edge of that. Just put on your bolts, you know, grab your ratchet, grab your extension once again, and tying them up. I didn't put the insulation, like taking it off on the stock ones, but this goes in there. One thing I recommend is when you put your insulation here, you guys putting, I don't know, some duct tape here, just to make sure you don't hear any air when you go on the highway or anything. Even for car washing, you won't get any water in there. And just put this insulation back on, just like that. So there you go guys, some 2014-2018 mirrors fitting on a 2003. This modification fits a 99 to a 2002, 2003 to 2007 classic, which is Cat Eyes. Suburbans, Yukons, Denalis, from those years, from 99 to 2007. On the wiring for that 99 to 2002, Tahoe, Suburban, Silverado, Denali, whatever Yukon, those are different. Those are different on the wiring. I was checking them on a junkyard, which the wiring colors are different. I'll be making part 2 for a functional wiring, so stay tuned. So there you go, guys. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, comment below, because I want to know what you guys think.